Do you use the PENUP app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra and get distracted by the recommend menu popping up? Samsung has a ready-made routine just for that. It's called Draw Without Interruption. Here's how to try it. Go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap Mode and Routine. Now tap Discover. Scroll down the screen. Under Get the Best Media Experience, select Draw Without Interruption. Here you will see the preloaded settings. In the If section, App Open is set to PENUP by default, which means this routine will run when you open PENUP. In the Then section, Open a Recommend with Pen button is set to Off. And in the When Routine Ends section, a recommend returns to the way it was before. At the bottom, you can edit to change condition, share the routine, or save it to your list. By saving this routine, you can draw in PENUP without distraction and focus fully on your app, because this routine will automatically turn off a feature that will let you open a recommend with pen button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.